In today's video, we're comparing two popular walking treadmills based on online reviews and feature comparisons: the Home Fitness Code Walking Pad Treadmill and the DeerRun 2024 Upgrade Walking Pad. Let's find out which one might be the best fit for your at-home walking needs. When it comes to price, the Home Fitness Code Walking Pad Treadmill is more budget-friendly, priced at $179 according to online retailers. On the other hand, the DeerRun 2024 Upgrade Walking Pad is a bit pricier, coming in at $259. If budget is a key concern for you, the Home Fitness Code might be the more appealing option. In the realm of features, the Home Fitness Code boasts a quiet motor, making it ideal for those who need to exercise without disturbing others. Reviews highlight its suitability for light jogging and its compact design for small spaces. Conversely, the DeerRun takes the lead with its advanced features, including compatibility with the PitPat app, which tracks your miles and calories burned. This integration with technology might be a deciding factor for tech-savvy users. When assessing speed and capacity, the Home Fitness Code can reach speeds up to 6.2 miles per hour, catering to users who prefer a brisk pace. Reviews praise its ability to accommodate higher speeds and its effectiveness for regular use. The DeerRun, however, is designed for a more leisurely pace, topping out at 3.8 miles per hour. This makes it ideal for beginners or those looking for a moderate workout. Portability and ease of use are crucial for home exercise equipment. Both treadmills offer folding designs for easy storage, but the Home Fitness Code stands out by coming fully assembled, saving you the hassle of tricky setup. This convenience is echoed in reviews, with users appreciating its plug-and-play nature. The DeerRun, while also praised for its sturdy build and easy storage, requires some assembly, which might be a minor inconvenience for some. Overall, reviews for the Home Fitness Code Walking Pad Treadmill highlight its affordability, quiet operation, and ease of setup, making it a solid choice for those on a budget or with limited space. The DeerRun 2024 Upgrade Walking Pad receives praise for its advanced features, app compatibility, and suitability for beginners, though it comes at a higher price point. Depending on your priorities, either treadmill could be a great addition to your home fitness routine. Thank you for watching our comparison of the Home Fitness Code Walking Pad Treadmill and the DeerRun 2024 Upgrade Walking Pad. We hope this video has helped you make a more informed decision on which walking treadmill is right for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below about which product you prefer and why. Check out the product links in the description for more information. See you in the next video.